Yes, students, today we are going to solve NAS related question answers of chapter 2 acid, base, and salt. So let's start. Our first question is while eating food, Sehaj spilled some curry on his white shirt. When his mother washes that shirt with soap, it turns from yellow to reddish brown. From that place, it happens due to. Yes, its correct option is soap contains base. Option B. Yes, next question. Science teacher explains to the students that apart from color changing indicators, some color changing solutions, acid or base, are present. We call them one of the following. Yes, what we call them? We call them olfactory. Option C. Yes, next question. Which gas is produced when small granules of zinc and are added in sulfuric acid? So its answer is option D, hydrogen. Yes, next question. Ranveer comes to know that all fruits that are sour in taste are always contains an acid. When teacher asks from Ranveer that tell me which acid is present in fruits like mango, orange, lemon, raw grapes, etc., then answer of Ranveer will be yes, correct option is citric acid. Option B. Yes, next question. Sonu has watched that when we add some indicators in acidic medium, their color changes red. Out of the following, that two indicators are. So, correct option is option D, litmus and methyl orange. Yes, students, our next question is identify the products of the following reaction CaCO3 plus 2 HCl. So its correct option will be option D. The products formed are calcium chloride, carbon dioxide, and water. Yes, next question. An ant stings on your arm. Skin can be treated with which substance out of the following which will neutralize the effect of chemical injected by ant. So its correct option is baking soda NaHCO3. Yes, next question. Which of the following phenomena occurs when small amount of acid is added to water? Neutralization, ionization, salt formation, dilution. Yes, its correct answer will be ionization and dilution. So correct answer will be option C, second and fourth. Yes, students, our next question is which out of the following is the chemical formula of lime water? So, the chemical formula of lime water is CaOH2, option B. Next question. During preparation of hydrogen chloride gas in laboratory, Mandeep asks his teacher about guard tube containing calcium chloride. According to teacher, the role calcium chloride in guard tube is? The role of calcium chloride in guard tube is. So its role is it absorbs moisture from the gas. Option C. Yes, students. Our next question is, today science teacher asks from Pankaj about alkalis. Which of the following will be right answer given by Pankaj? So what are alkalis? Alkalis are base which are soluble in water. Option A. Next question. Lime water reacts with chlorine gas to give. Yes, lime water reacts with chlorine gas to give bleaching powder. Option A. Next question. Sukhdeep asks from his teacher about pH scale and its uses from us. Then class teacher informs him that we can detect the density of dash ions in a given solution with the help of pH scale. Yes, we can detect the density of hydrogen ions. Option D. Next question. Question 14th. Raman surprised to know that one thing is common in all the acids. That will be option B, hydrogen ion. Yes, next question. What happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with the solution of a base in a test tube? So students, what happens when we mix acid with a base? Temperature of the solution increases and salt formation takes place. So the correct option is 1 and 4. So the correct option is option A. That is 1, temperature of the solution increases, and another, fourth, salt formation takes place. So the correct option is 1, in which we have given first and fourth. Yes, next question. Today in a science lab, Baljinder noticed that in a solution of rust, iron oxide, the red litmus paper turns blue. From this it is confirmed that the oxides of the metals are option A, basic in nature. Next question. Today in a science lab, all the students have been informed by the teacher that we should add acid slowly into the water rather than adding water into acid because of the following reasons. It is exothermic in nature. The hot water can bounce out and burn the skin. Glass and test tube can explode immediately due to sudden heat. So its correct option will be option D, all of the above. Yes, next question. Sodium hydroxide NaOH is used in out of the following. It is used as an antacid, it is used in soap formation, it is used in alkaline batteries. So its correct option will be option D, all of the above. Yes, next question. Manoj noticed that when he add phenolphthalein indicator in a given solution, then the color of phenolphthalein remains same, that is does not change. Out of the following, given solution is, yes, the given solution is acidic solution, option A. Next question. Out of the following given acids, which can liberate hydrogen ions in absence of water? So its correct option will be option D, none of these. So students, these are our questions of chapter 2 based on NAS. Hope all of you have tick marked your correct answers. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks.